Yes.
I am praying for listing this petition, my lord, on, if possible, on Monday, my lord, motion with them.
What is the urgency?
This is that the petitioner before lordship was initially appointed in the year 1996. Still, he has been, my lord, included in the NPS scheme, my lord. He is not, if no GPF account has been opened against his name. So he is, my lord, praying for direction to open the GPF account, my
It
lord.
can come up on Friday. 13. Okay.
11, my lord,
13.
Wednesday, if possible.
13. Motion day. Yes, next.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, I also with a similar prayer for Monday, my lord. The petitioner before my lordship is a law college, my lord. My lord, there is a office memorandum which has been issued by the Bar Council of India, my lord. There is a bar. Now, my lord, for the moratorium period has been fixed, my lord. That has also been interfered with by the Honorable Apex Court. But even then, my lord, my college has not been given the permission recognition by the Bar Council. That is under challenge, my lord. If we
Okay.
miss, my lord, then the whole 26, 27 session will go below.
They're also on Friday. 11 on Friday.
Kindly Monday, Milord. Some urgency is there, Milord, in this matter.
Friday. Next.
May it please, your lordship. Your lordship, in item number 26, we have filed a dusty affidavit in this matter, your lordship, yesterday.
Item number?
Item number 26, your lordship.
Okay, let it be called.
Yes, your lordship. Oblige.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
What do you want?
I want to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file fresh, my lord.
Why?
Some clerical mistakes here.
What is your name? Your good name?
H.L. Rashkar, my lord.
Mr. H.A. Lashkar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that there are some inadvertent clerical mistakes in the writ petition, and for which reason he wants to withdraw the writ petition with liberty to fly afresh. He therefore submits that his prayer may be granted. Next para, considering the above, the writ petition stands disposed of as withdrawn with liberty to file afresh. Yes.
Most of.
May I please, your lordship. Writ petition number 5729 of 2005, your lordship.
Mm.
It was listed for motion on 25/9/2005.
2025.
Yes,
This is a motion matter
it is a
or
motion-
pending matter?
pending matter, your lordship. Therefore,
Pending matter you take up with the registry.
registry have written, your lordship, in the month of
See-
October.
No, please take up again. All
Okay.
right. Okay. Next.
May I please, your lordship?
Mm.
Milord, I beg to mention item number 23, Milord, of today's list, Milord. Milord, I have the instruction, Milord, not to press the petition, Milord.
Okay.
My lord.
Mr. A.R. Bhuyan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions not to press the writ petition. Considering the submission, the writ petition stands disposed of as not pressed.
Fine.
All right.
Oblige.
Lordship, with regard to item 18, Lordship, we have filed one affidavit, Lordship. That may be called for today.
Item 18,
18, Lordship.
petitioner.
Respondent, Lordship.
Which respondent?
225, Lordship.
225. You file affidavit. When did you file the affidavit?
Today, Lordship. Yesterday, we have.
But today you file, how can we call the affidavit just immediately like that? Let us the process also. Let it come up next week. Mr. Your good name?
S. Sutradhar, Lordship.
Sorry?
S. Sutradhar.
Mr. S. Sutradhar, Learned Counsel, appearing for respondent numbers
225, Lordship.
2 to 5, submits that affidavit of position has been filed today.
Lordship, preliminary affidavit on the maintenance of the writ petition.
Okay. What did I say? Affidavit has been filed today on the maintainability of the writ petition. Considering the same. Affidavit. And he submits that the matter may be taken up today. Stop. However, since the affidavit is yet to be connected to the record, let the matter be listed. Give a date on 12th March. Registry to verify and connect the affidavit said to be filed by the said respondent to the record. All right.
May I please, your lordship. IA civil of 3171 of 2005. Your Lordship, the matter was filed on 18/9/2005, but it has never been
IA for
listed
what?
before the court.
IA for what?
I for it interim order for stay.
Stay order. You take it up with the registry.
I've taken Your Lordship, but
Please, please take it up again.
again.
Okay, we make a mention of it. Yes, call.
Motion.
Wait, this is Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, we are supposed to file an affidavit, Lordship. We have received the instructions, which is in vernacular, Lordship. Lordship, what? Sometime may be granted, Lordship. To
How
file
much
an-
time?
Lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks
Lordship.
time. Ms. R. Barwa, Learned Standing Council,
Secondary education.
Secondary Education Department submits that although she has received the instructions, but some of the documents are in vernacular. And therefore, she requires at least 2 weeks time to file the affidavit of opposition. To stop, she therefore prays for 2 weeks time accordingly. Next para in view of above,
The date may be fixed.
further 2 weeks time is granted to the respondents to file their counter affidavit, list again also and so on.
Authorized.
Item 2.
Wait, this Lordship,
Mm.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, may we please issue notice, Lordship. Lordship, we have communicated with the department, Lordship. Lordship, sometime may be granted, Lordship. To file, Lordship, to file instructions, Lordship.
Okay, anyway, what is the matter about?
Lordship,
The petitioner, your lordship, he is a postgraduate teacher, your lordship.
Sorry,
He is a postgraduate teacher, your lordship.
PG teacher, then?
PG. Then he, due to his medical fitness, yeah, he is suffering from some illness, thereby his resignation, he submitted resignation letter before the respondent authorities, but it was not accepted. After a few months, he is fully recovered, then he'll file a petition before the respondent authorities that he may be allowed to continue his service. But it was not allowed. That's the report, your lordship, page 42, and it is a report submitted by IS to the director.
All right, just a minute.
That's-
So what is the instruction?
Lordship, we have not received instructions, Lordship.
So some more time then.
Sometime will be granted, Lordship. Lordship, may we please to issue notice, Lordship. And respond number 5 is the principal, Lordship.
What is the
6, Lordship, is the principal.
okay,
Because 42, page 42 kindly peruse, your lordship.
42?
Report of the IS to director, your lordship.
What is
Direct-
this?
Report, the director sought report from the IS, what is the status of this resignation, page 42 kindly. Your lordship.
Please read number 1.
The resignation letter of Mr. Sofikul Islam, former PGT Hamidabad AC School, was not accepted by the office
Hmm.
of the undersigned. No
Yes.
formal release order in the name of Sofikul Islam, former PGT Hamidabad School, was issued by the undersigned. Whereas the resignation letter from the PGT school was not accepted by the office of the undersigned and no formal release order was issued. He did not join his school duties and awaited accepted the resignation letter.
Okay, you have not joined the school since when? Where are you now?
Lordship,
You still have not joined?
no, I am not allowed to, because due to my resignation, 9/5/2024,
No, since when? When did you submit your resignation?
9/5/2024,
9/5/22,
24,
24.
Lordship.
And since then you are not working.
Not here, because I had some reputation. After that time I was suffering from serious illness, mental illness.
Hmm.
And after that, I have recovered, fully recovered in 31/1/2026. I fully recovered. And then we have submitted representation, your lordship. 6/3/2025 representation submitted before the director through the inspectors.
So what is your prayer now?
My prayer, your lordship, allow me to continue with service, your lordship.
See, thing is that even before your prayer for resignation is accepted, you abstain from duty. Is that the procedure?
So, your lordship,
You'll drop one letter and go away.
I have through proportional, I have through IS, your lordship.
Maybe through proper channel. See, unless it is accepted,
Lordship.
isn't it? Or rejected, you have to wait for the outcome.
But that time I am not in position, because I am not in a position to mental,
We don't know.
because I have medical fitness certificate, I have anesthesia.
What ailment did you have?
He was idiopathic epilepsy and frequent loss of consciousness.
Sorry?
Epilepsy, Lordship.
Epilepsy and loss of consciousness.
And so he was under.
Now you're cured.
Cured, your
It's-
worship.
it's curable.
Annexed the medical documents I have annexed, your worship. Page
It's
33.
curable.
Curable.
Epilepsy. It's curable.
Yes. Page 33, I have annexed the document. And that time, due to his condition, he is under depression, and page 33.
All
medical-
right, we'll issue notice. Heart Mr. S. Islam, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner has sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to allow him to join his post of graduate teacher.
Postgraduate teacher, PG.
Postgraduate teacher in Hamidabad High Secondary School under DDC. What is DDC?
Dhubri district, your worship.
DDC is Dhubri district.
My lords.
Full form?
EDC means it.
Okay, anyway, under DDC, comma, Dhubri.
Dhubri district circle, EDC.
Stop. The learned counsel submits that on account of his persisting ailment, the petitioner could not perform his duties, and therefore he submitted a resignation letter on 9/5/2024. Stop. However, despite submitting his resignation letter, the same was not accepted by the authorities concerned till date. And now he has fully recovered from his ailment and seeks direction from this court to the respondents to allow him to join back in his post. Stop. When the matter was listed on 9/2/2026, learned standing counsel for the Secondary Education Department was asked to obtain instructions. Stop. Today, Ms. R. Barua, learned standing counsel, submits that she is yet to receive instructions in this regard and prays for further time. Next para. Considering the above position, let notice be issued returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioner to serve requisite. Ms. R. Barua, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 3, 4, and 5. R.M. Barua accepts notice for respondent number 2.
For response 6, lordship.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 6 by speed post within 3 days. 3 working days. List again on so and so. 8 April. Learned standing counsel shall obtain necessary instructions by the next date.
Fix a date, yeah.
We have fixed the date already. 8 April.
Item 3,
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a petition. I am aggrieved by non-payment of salary, my lordship, and non-release of.
For which period?
My lordship. This is from the date of my accommodation order, my lordship, which is on page 16. I have annexed, my lordship. Page 16.
Accommodation.
Yes, my lordship.
Page 60, page
Page 16, my lordship.
16.
16, my lord. A verification has been done, my lordship, already, which verification report also I have annexed. Page 20, my lordship. One hearing was also taken, my lordship.
Verification for what purpose?
My lordship, there was a dispute, my lordship, as to who is the genuine teacher, my lordship. And,
Between who? A dispute means there are other parties also.
yes, my lordship.
Who's
There was a
that?
dispute, but thereafter, in compliance with the Honorable High Court, my lordship.
What is this annexure 3? Writ petition filed by you.
My lordship,
Annexure 3 is a writ petition.
yes, my lordship. It is not by me, my lordship.
Then why have you annexed it?
Because in compliance of that writ petition, my lordship, thereafter, the competent authority, my lordship, conducted verification and hearing. And after hearing, my lordship, they concluded that I am the genuine teacher, my lordship. This is
Okay.
the,
So you are seeking for a similar order.
not similar order, my lordship. On the basis of this verification, my lordship, it has been clarified that I am the genuine teacher. But in spite of that, no salary. has been-
there is two teachers.
Teacher, my lord.
Okay, where is this annexure? What is this annexure for?
Annexure 4, my lord, this is the order of the inquiry and verification. my lord.
Okay, it is in your favor or against you?
It is in my favor, my lordship.
Which part?
My lordship, operational part, my lordship, from
Page 21.
page
last para,
20,
11
from last paragraph to may I read, my lordship?
What is your name?
My lord, Noor Shahanara Begum Barwaiya.
And the person?
Same, but daughter, daughter of my lordship, I am daughter
The
of,
person Noor Jahanara Borbia.
it is specifically stated the,
No, there are two persons with the same name, isn't it?
yes, my lord, may I read my lordship? This report is very much clear, my lord.
No, I'm asking you your name. What is your name?
Noor Shaharana Begum Badi, my lordship.
And the other person?
Same name, but
Same name.
same name, but she could not produce her appointment letter, her certificate, nothing she could not produce. And her father's name is also does not meet with the records, my lordship.
Okay, whatever the reason may be,
Yes, ma'am.
the last paragraph says, second last paragraph, in
Yes,
fact,
yes, my lordship.
that Noor so and so
Yes,
has furnished her initial
Yes.
appointment order.
I have furnished my lordship.
So it doesn't speak about which Noor Saharna Begum.
She in earlier paragraph may be seen, my lordship. Earlier paragraph, my lord, from third paragraph, may I read, my lordship?
Hmm.
It appears that one Noor Shahanara Begum Barbaya, daughter of Muqaddas Ali Beroya, that is the other person, my lordship, of village Algapur, part 1, PO Kalibazar, Kalibari Bazar, had joined at the Mohanpur RA LP school on 4/1/2001 in place of Noor Shahanara Begum Barbaya, that is my name, my lordship, in accordance with the letter of DE Assam reported her joining to this office. Later on, one Noor Shahara Begum Barbaya, daughter of Abdul Mannan Barbaya, that is the petitioner, my lordship.
So your name has got Begum.
Yes, my lord.
The other one doesn't have Begum.
No, my lordship.
Middle name Begum is
Begum is there.
not there. In her
That-
name there.
There.
In the petitioner name, Begum is there.
there.
The other one doesn't have Begum. But that is the difference.
Village Bhabanipur PO Amala had filed a complaint to this office stating that she had actually appointed by the DI of schools Hailakandi by letter number such and such dated 4/1/2001 at Mohanpur RA LP school, and there after she was reposted attached by the DI of schools Hailakandi by letter number such and such dated 4/1/2001.
Okay, Mr. Counsel, I've understood the problem.
Yes.
Now what can be done now? Will issue notice?
Notice may go, my lord, I'll bring instruction.
Despite this report, they have not given you a salary.
Yes, my lord.
Are you still working?
Yes, my lordship, I am working, my lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
SB Lashkar.
SB Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petition is seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to implement the accommodation order dated 23/9/2022 issued in her favor in letters and in spirit, and pay her regular salary. To stop, the learned counsel submits that a dispute arose as to regards to who was the actual teacher of the LP school concerned. Since there were two names, that since another person with the same name as that of the petitioner had made a claim. Stop, a verification and hearing was conducted by the inspector of schools,
Block Kilometer.
by the block elementary education officer, Hailakandi. And the result of such hearing was that the petitioner was found to be the actual teacher who was appointed in the said school. Stop, the block elementary education officer, Hailakandi, therefore submitted a report to the additional district commissioner in charge of education. Come district elementary education officer, Hailakandi, on 23/8/2024, bracket in extra 4. So, however, despite the same, the petitioner has not been given any salary. Hence the writ petition. Hence the instant writ petition. Next para, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks.
All the response.
Okay, Mr. So-and-so, learned standing counsel, elementary education, accept notice on behalf of all the respondents. Petitioner to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned standing counsel within 2 days. List again on so-and-so. 10 April. Pendency of the writ petition shall not bar the respondents from mitigating the grievance of the petitioner. All right.
Highly obliged.
Item 4,
May I plead lordship? In this case,
In this case, petitioners is the president and constitute the management committee, SMDC, my lord. As per a panel list, page 32. And this was forwarded by the academic in charge of the school, my lord. Serial number 1, petitioner number 1, president, and second is the vice president. Next, my lord, page 33.
That is my item, actually.
Okay,
Oh, sorry, my lord.
it's okay, let him come. Mr. Martin is a bit restless. You're impatient. You wait for your turn. Yes, what is your case?
May it please, your lordship. Lordship, I have a education institution, lordship, at which is situated at Barabala, Haripur, Patsala in the district of Bojali, lordship. This school is affiliated with CBSE, lordship, New Delhi, and the medium of instruction is English, lordship. And which this institution is run by the society, namely the Barpeta Road Catholic Church, lordship. Lordship, I have applied for the NOC, lordship, before the Joint Secretary of Government of Assam.
NOC for what?
Lordship,
You applied NOC for what purpose?
for
And-
my minority status certificate, lordship.
Before which authority?
Before the National Commission, lordship, I have annex here,
Page number?
page number 69, lordship. I have annex here as annexure 5, lordship.
Hmm.
I have submit all the relevant document, but it was dismissed, lordship.
No, page 69. What is this? This is in the form of a case. What is this?
Lordship, can this matter be taken after some time? Mr. Tahvildar is on legs in another court.
Who?
The Higher Education Council. The concerned Higher Education Council is on legs.
Who is he?
Mr. A. Tahvildar. He's requested me to, so for the time being.
Lordship may issue
No,
the
it's okay.
notice at the moment, lordship.
It's okay. Will not pass any adverse order. Will you continue your submission? What is this? This is an order passed by a tribunal.
Yes, lordship.
Which tribunal?
Not tribunal, lordship, National Commissioner for Minority Education Institution. I have applied for the minority status certificate, lordship. In the meantime, lordship,
Not in the meantime. Tell me what has happened to your case.
yes, lordship. During the pendency of the case number, lordship, page number 13, lordship, kindly peruse page number 13, para 12, lordship.
Please complete your description of page 69 before jumping to other page.
16, lordship,
69 and what happened? It was rejected.
yes,
Say that.
by the,
You say page 69 and suddenly jump to page 39 or something like that. Complete your submission.
lordship, I have applied for the minority status certificate before the National Commissioner for Minority Education Institution, lordship. But during the pendency of this, lordship, during the pendency of this matter, lordship, the authority has suggested me to withdraw, lordship. So later on, this our application is dismissed, lordship.
So
So I have approached this before this court, lordship.
what is your case?
Lordship, to issue.
Why
the-
should you be given a NOC? Tell us. This is not an appeal. It's an appeal. It's a writ petition.
Oh, lordship, this matter may be taken some other day, lordship.
Are Why?
Let my senior will come in this matter. But today, lordship may issue the notice.
Why should I issue notice?
Lordship, this matter may be taken some other day, lordship.
You ought to satisfy the court that there has to be, the notice has to be
I
issued.
apologize for that, lordship.
Without satisfying the court, you are praying for notice straight away. You think that the court is convinced already? I'm not convinced. You tell
Madam,
me.
taken some other dinners.
As paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, list again after a week. Next,
Item 5,
May please, your lordship. My lord, here in this case, the petitioner retired as the principal of GCMH as school.
I think you can
Borpala in
put on the
district
AC.
of Kachar.
It's quite warm, quite warm. Yes,
Like, during the COVID-19 period, the funds allotted in the midday meal account in the school could
Mm.
not be released at that time because of the, my lord, online problem, and there was no sufficient staff. And he has paid the my lord, cost, my lord, cooking cost to the students from his own pocket. And therefore, he is paying for releasing the amount. That has not been done. Annexure 1 is the his representation, my lord.
why have you paid the students?
My lord, yes, midday meal cooking cost is to be paid to the student. My lord.
Student is cooking it.
My lord,
Students are
cost,
cooking.
Cooking cost, midday meal amount.
No, students are cooking.
My lord,
You have paid the students. Why did you pay the students?
my lord, yes, my lord, at that time, that should be paid to the family of the student because the school was bond and amount has to be distributed. Cooking cost is to be distributed as per the guideline.
Who does the cooking? The students cook themselves.
Student, my lord.
Students cook themselves.
My lord, is to be paid to the students, my lord. My lord.
Why did you give money to the students?
My lord, that was paid, that is to be paid, and a midday meal account, that is a routine work, my lord, that should be done. And he was,
Who pays?
the fund could not be released.
Who
because
pays?
the-
Who pays for the midday meal?
My lord, that is
Who pays the midday
under
meal?
the scheme, under the scheme, my lord, the authority is, my lord, Mission Director, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan, under the Mission Director, my lord. And his application annexure 1 was forwarded by the present principal.
Mr. Sikdar, please explain the concept of midday meal. From where the fund comes, how it is given.
From this, my lord, by the central government through the Mission Director, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhijan, my lord. And response number 2 is the authority in the state to operate this.
It is come under PM Poson Fund, my lord.
Hmm?
Page annexure 3, page 14.
PM,
PM Poson Fund.
annexure 3.
Annexure 3, page 14, seeking the PM Poson funds, closing balance analysis as on ... 3/2023. In the case book page.
What is this annexure 3? Otherwise, what is this document?
My lord, it is a particulars, my lord, about the
It's a form C. A form C of what?
my lord, it is prepared by the principal about the details of the midday meal.
Where is your representation?
My lord, my representation annexure 1, my lord. And it was forwarded by the principal to the district mission coordinator by annexure 2.
You are the principal, retired principal.
I have retired, my lord. Subsequently, my application was forwarded by the existing principal, present principal, annexure 2. So, my lord, at this stage, notice may go, my lord, and pendency shall not be barred to dispose of, consider and dispose of the.
Where is the guarantee that if you pay the money, they will refund you?
My lord,
Why did you pay?
utilization certificate was submitted, and utilization certificate is submitted, and this forwarding note of the principal also enclosed. Is also,
How much money does the school receive for this midday meal? Generally, how much money do they receive?
that instruction we do not have, but the loan which was the amount which he has paid, that is 1,16,960.
This is for which period?
My lord, for period up to his retirement, on 20 from during the lockdown period, entire period of 1/12/2017 to 31/12/2023. It is mentioned in the representation third as second paragraph, my lord, last two lines. My lord, in annexure 3, it is also mentioned. The same is also prepared by the existing principal.
You have written to whom? DMC Kachar
My
means?
lord, district mission coordinator Kachar.
Was it received by them?
My lord, it was received, my lord, acknowledgement has been given, not given, but they have given date of acceptance, my lord. And the principal has received, principal has forwarded it by annexure 2.
You forgot to withdraw the loan amount. Loan
Yes.
amount means what loan amount?
Loan money, my lord, my lord, the MD midday meal amount could not be withdrawn because there was lockdown, there was online problem, and no sufficient staff, and therefore he paid the students from his own pocket, and he has submitted the utilization certificate.
So this was a period from 1/12/2017 to 31/12/2023.
23.
In 2023, there was still lockdown.
No, no.
Then?
Means, my lord, he retired on
When did he retire?
31/12/2023. He retired.
He retired. Before retiring, did he not submit any representation? Or
It was submitted on
why after 1 year you're submitting?
24. Well, he was pursuing the authority, but he did not make formal application. He was pursuing the authority.
How he is pursuing? He retired after 1 year again, suddenly he remembered loan amount. After retiring for 1 year, he remembered something was pending, again he applied.
My lord. But this his due amount, about the due amount that has been endorsed by the existing principal, my lord. And there has been a statement of outstanding amount.
Endorsing means the principal is merely forwarded.
Yes, my lord.
That's all.
My lord.
He doesn't say that yes or no.
NSR 3 also, my lord. That was also prepared by the principal.
All right, please write down. Heard Mr. A.R. Sikdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner retired as a principal of Raja GCMHS School on 31/12/2023. Stop. Not full stop, we continue. And for the period between 1/12/2017 up to the date of his retirement on account of link failure, and there being no other staff to rely upon, the petitioner had no option but to spend his own money for the purpose of providing midday meal to the students of class 6 to class 8. So he submits that although fund was available, but due to the aforesaid reason, the amount could not be withdrawn. And hence the petitioner ended up spending an amount of rupees 116,960. Now, what is the outstanding amount?
My lord, yes, that is the outstanding one.
Okay, I repeat again, 116,960.
Yes, sir.
So the petitioner, therefore, after his retirement, submitted an application to the, what is the full form of DMC?
District Mission Coordinator.
To the District Mission Coordinator, Kachar. Bracket respondent number 3. Through proper channel. Through the principal of the school. Who stopped the principal, in turn, forwarded his application to the respondent number 3 on 20/12/2024. Itself. So, however, despite the same, as the amount has not been returned to the petitioner before this court through the instant writ petition. Next para in view of above, issue notice, a motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. Now, Mr. Chaudhary,
Yes, my lord, for 2 and 3.
B. Chaudhary, isn't it? London Standing Council, SSA. Access notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 3. So U. Sharma, London Standing Council, Secondary Education, access notice on behalf of respondent number 1. Ms. R.M. Barua, London Standing Council, Finance Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 6. Petitioner to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned councils appearing today, within 2 days. So petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent numbers 4 and 5 by speed post within 3 working days. List again on censor.
My lord, pendency shall not be barred to consider and dispose of the representation number 1.
Pendency of the writ petition
Sir,
shall not be a bar for the respondents to consider and dispose of the representation of the petitioner. All right.
Deep, lord.
Item 6.
My lord, this matter regarding non-payment of arrears salary of the petitioner, my lord, page 31 is appointment letter. Annexure 3. It was, my lord, effect, my lord, was given from 1/11/2020, my lord.
Page number, annexure 3.
Page 31, my lord. This
Yes.
is 31, my lord. This is type part of the order, my lord. Original order.
What is this? Your appointment order?
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, in exercise of the power conferred under the Director of Elementary Education, Assam by the government letter number so and so dated so and so, and in pursuance to the government approval communicated by number so and so dated so and subject to the production of the physical fitness certificate from the concerned Joint Director of Health Services, the following candidates is hereby accommodated as tutor in LPUP school on purely temporary basis in fixed wages at the rate of rupees so and so per month under the Deputy Inspector of School, District Elementary Education Officer, concern of Hailakand district with effect from, my lord, 1/11/2020. But they are only paid, my lord, current salary. Not, my lord, area salary is paid, my lord.
This order is dated
This is
22.
dated, my lord, 23rd September 2022, my lord.
You are getting current salary.
Current salary only, my lord.
That means from
From, my lord, March 2023, my lord.
March 2023.
Yes, my lord.
But this order is 22.
Yes, my lord. Even thereafter also sometimes, my lord, not paid, my lord.
Lordship, notice will go now. My lord, notice will be, my lord, notice may go, my lord, and
The
order, my lord, is of,
dispose of, my lord.
the order is of 22, my lord. Come now, my lord. So therefore, my lord, I pray that, my lord, notice may go, my lord, and accordingly, my lord, let me obtain my instructions, my lord, and if necessary, I'll file my affidavit. Order, my lord, is come.
Similarly situated, some person will approach page 41, my lord. And this honorable court, my lord, directed to submit their representation before the concerned authority, page 41, my lord.
No, before coming to the court, you could have submitted a representation.
Exactly.
You don't require the court to show you the direction. You go this road, take left, take right, go there. You can go there yourself. You want the court to hold your hand and take you there. Not Mr.
AM Bolvi.
A.M. Borboya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner seeks a direction to the respondent authorities to pay the petitioner the area salary.
From 1/11/2022 to.
All right. I'll ask you if I require any help from you. I'll ask you, okay? Please don't interrupt. With effect from 1/11/2020 up to 28/2/2023 with interest. The learned counsel, full stop. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner was accommodated as tutor in LP/UP school on temporary basis in the fixed pay of rupees 10,800 per month with effect from 1/11/2020. White order dated 23/9/2022, bracket annexure 3. So, however, the petitioner was given his pay only from the month of March 2023. You have not demanded justice from the respondents. Have you demanded justice?
Well, their bill were submitted time. to
When?
time.
Show me the document. Show.
This is not-
Or show me the statements at least. Where?
Yes, my lord. Yes, yeah.
You have not, Mr. Borbia.
But
See,
page 8, my lord, para 8, my lord.
petitioners on several occasions intended to file writ petition earlier also. However, local district levelers assured the petitioners that they would be paid arrears salaries, but still are not paid.
Then, my lord, page 7, my lord, from the middle, my lord. Since the order, so and so the petitioners are persistently approaching their higher officials in the district level, requesting them to.
These are basically your own.
Facts. Just facts. There's nothing, there's no, my lord.
You have not. Can you show any document to show that you have gone there? You have not.
They are working, my lord.
They are working, so what? What prevents you from filing a representation that I want my salary, area salary? Simply you are making a statement here, paragraph 11. Petitioners demanded justice, but it is not denied to him. How many petitioners?
2 petitioner.
Then how do you say him? Him means one. Her means one. Him means one.
1.
Them is more than one.
1. Them.
Maybe you should be careful in your drafting. So many mistakes here and there. You have put S, okay? Petitioners and everything. Petitioners. In view of above, issue notice of motion, returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. A. Fukan, Lanet Standing Counsel,
Elementary education.
Elementary Education, accepts notice on behalf of
1, 3, and 4.
respondent numbers 1, 3, and 4. Ms. R. M. Barwa, Lanet Standing Counsel, Finance, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 5. Petitioner to serve extra copies of the writ petition to the learned counsels accredited today within 2 days. List again also.
Well, kindly, my lord, the observation.
No observation. I'm sorry.
Pendency of the, my lord, this.
No, no.
Deeply obliged.
Right.
7,
Come here, Pillarsil. Earlier committee was dissolved due to violation of the norms, Miller. Thereafter, Miller, a panel list was submitted by the headmaster, page 32, Miller, for constitution of the assembly.
So this is your case, Mr. Mati.
Yes, Miller. My case is, Miller, may be directed the respondent authority to approve the full-fledged committee of the action.
Where's the committee minutes?
Now, Miller, page 33.
33.
Yes. With the direction to the headmaster to constitute the full-fledged committee within 7 days from the date of issue, Miller.
No, what is this? Page 33?
Page 33 is the constitute, Miller.
No, it says talks about some allegations also. What is this allegation?
Next, Miller, serial number Abdul Sattar, President, and Zaidul Islam, Vice President. The concerned principal headmaster of the school will recommend the names of the members in the constitution.
Where are you reading from?
Yes, Miller.
Where are you reading from?
Page 33.
What is that annexure?
Annexure E.
Well, in our petition, there is no page number 33. No.
Annexure E,
Yes.
page 33, you said.
Yes.
What is it? What is the document? What kind of document is that?
Miller, this is the reconstitution of the management committee, Miller.
Is it an order or a letter or what is it?
This is the order, Miller.
Order dated?
Order dated 5th January 2026.
Okay. And you are reading from which part?
Yes, Miller, the second paragraph. The concern.
No. You read from the first paragraph
Yes,
from the beginning.
Considering the allegation of the president of assembly notified so and so.
Okay, stop there.
That is.
Stop.
Yes.
The moment you read these allegations,
Yes,
that is why I was asking you, what is this allegation?
Yes.
You're giving the court an impression that you want the minutes to be approved by the competent authority.
Yes. Miller, what happened in this case? Initially, assembly was constituted 28 January, February 2025, page 13, Miller, in violation of the guidelines, Miller. Thereafter, Miller, public submitted a complaint. On the basis of complaint, Miller, inspector of schools directed the headmaster to send the panel, Miller. Accordingly, panel was sent, Miller. Subsequently, page 33, Miller, petitioners are the president and vice president of the SMDC, Miller. Guideline আছে নহয়, ওটা একদমই দেওয়া আছে।
So this order constitutes the SMDC.
Yes,
Petitioners are the president and vice president, and the principal headmaster school recommend the name of members for approval of the president of the SMDC within 7 days.
yes.
Now, then,
That was not. Thereafter, my lord, first meeting was conducted on page 34, my lord.
meeting of the SMDC.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Then,
Page 34, my lord. Resolution number 2, my lord. The following persons have been selected as parent members from the parents of the student of the school.
yes.
So, my lord. This was submitted before the inspector of schools, my lord. Till date, my lord, inspector of school did not run anything, my lord. Rather, they are contemplating to constitute with another person, my lord, to my information.
Another person means
Another person means, my lord.
member.
Yes, my lord.
Not-
Contemplating to reconstitute the SMDC, my lord.
You are, otherwise you are the SMDC president and vice
Yes,
president.
yes, my lord.
That will remain.
Yes.
But insofar as the members are concerned,
Yes, members is.
inspector is not happy about the selection.
No, my lord, this is the first meeting was conducted on 8/1/2026.
What is page 35?
This is a double copy, my lord.
Double copy.
Yes,
One copy is not enough.
Mm.
We need two copies.
yes,
Okay. Then the 36, 37 is vernacular.
yes, particular.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, what do you say?
Regarding the petition, no, we have no such 36, 37 pages. It is the last page is 32. And now moreover, my lord, it is 32. 32 pages.
No, see,
Moreover, my lord.
regarding pagination, he'll give you a corrected copy.
Yes,
No issue.
Yes,
Now, regarding this case projected by the petitioner, what do you say?
yes, my lord. Regarding the constitution of the school management committee, my lord, deputy commissioner is the most vital role and he has to constitute the committee, my lord.
Deputy Commissioner?
Yes, my lord. As because one partial modification was there, my lord, on 27 October 2021, my lord. On that notification, my lord, partial modification, my lord, with the approval of the guardian minister, the deputy commissioner is empowered to constitute the SMDC, my lord, school management committee. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, notice may be issued, my lord.
No, you come to page E, annexure E again. Whatever page you have, annexure E.
Yes, my lord.
This is an order passed by the inspector of schools.
Yes.
You see the bottom, it
Yes.
says copy to.
Yes.
Commissioner Secretary Education, then District Commissioner Kamrup also,
Yes.
then Director of Secondary Education. This has gone to everybody.
Yes.
An order has been issued by the Inspector of Schools.
Yes.
So what is wrong in that?
And with the permission of the deputy, probably with the permission of the deputy commissioner, he has published this order, my lord.
That's right. That is why the order also says that concerned principal headmaster will recommend names of member of the SMDC. And in the first meeting, they have recommended few names,
Yes.
5 names.
Yes.
That has not been acted upon. Why?
My lord, some allegation was there.
I'm afraid, see anything wrong in this process? No. You have to get instruction, no doubt,
Yes,
but from your own experience, what do you say? Anything wrong in the procedure?
perhaps no, my.
That's what I'm asking you. You give him the complete
Yes,
text
my
with
lord.
full
I am giving-
pagination.
Right now.
Art Mr. S. Martin, Learned Counsel, for the petitioners who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioners who are nominated as the president and vice president of the School Managing and Development Committee, bracket SMDC, of Champupara
Yes, school.
High Secondary School have sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to approve the nomination of members of the SMDC as per the resolution taken by the SMDC on 8/1/2026, when it had held its first meeting. Stop referring to the order issued by the Inspector of Schools, KDC, Amingaon, on 5/1/2026, bracket Annexure E. The Learned Counsel submits that as per the said order, the principal/headmaster of the school is required to recommend names of members in consultation with the president of the SMDC to constitute a full-fledged committee within 7 days. Stop. Despite the same having been done, since no approval has been given, the petitioners are before this court. Next para. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel.
Secondary education.
Secondary education, accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, and 4.
1, 2, and
Ms. D.D. Burman, Learned Senior Government Advocate, accept notice on behalf of respondent number. Petitioners to serve requisite copies of the writ petition to the Learned Counsels appearing for the respondents today, within 2 days. Stop. Petitioners shall also take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 by speed post within 3 working days. List again nonsense.
In the meantime, my lord, status will be maintained.
What status quo?
My lord, in my paragraph 9, my lord, I am specifically stated, my lord, to the information, page 8, my lord, para 9, my lord.
Page 8, para 9.
Para 9, my lord.
They want to replace you. Or what?
Contemplating to, my lord.
Contemplating to replace you.
Information, my lord. That's why, my lord, status may be maintained. Doesn't today.
To replace you or to replace the members?
My lord, not replace the member, replace the president, vice president, my lord. To the information, my lord. Trying to replace.
at this stage, my lord, no interim is required, my lord, here, my lord.
Why?
Moreover, my lord, he has not given us the complete petition also. He has not given us the complete petition.
भाई ये तो आपने लोग इधर move किया
No, no.
ये आपने सोच दिया इतना बार-बार
Make it returnable by 3 weeks, not 4 weeks. Okay, having regard to the projection made, status quo be maintained till the next day. List again on so and so. Give a short date.
complex copy to delete okay
Ultimate.
Status quo as on today.
Please, your lordship. My lord, this is relating to dismissal from service, my lord. At this stage, my lord, the notice will go. But
Let us try to understand first
My-
why notice should go.
my lord, the petitioner was working as assistant professor in NIT Silchar. Now, my lord, a proceeding was initiated under the Sexual Harassment Act against the petitioner on the basis of a complaint made by a student. Now, my lord, the factual background of this case is that a similar complaint was made earlier occasion also. And that time also an ICC was constituted, and in a hush-hush manner, they submitted one inquiry report proposing to dismissal from service. I approached this honorable court. Now, after examining all the records and all, this court found that the inquiry was vitiated, and therefore the inquiry and the proposed termination was interfered with. Now, my lord, in the meantime, some grade pay I was entitled to some grade pay. I asked for that. That was my fault. Now, a second similar incident was reported through another girl, and inquiry was initiated by ICC, constituting ICC. ICC acted as a disciplinary committee in this matter, and they proposed that petitioner should be removed from service. And my lord, page annexure 25, at page 118. This is the removal from service, but not a disqualification for future employment. But here, my lord, I am not been given the experience certificate even. Although I'm trying to get a job somewhere else, that also they are not providing. So in the interim, I'm requesting the court, at least they should provide me the experience certificate and all my the financial benefit that might have accrued during this, and subsistence allowance and all that also has not been paid. So, my lord, the inquiry report, the inquiry was conducted within a period of 10 to 12 days. I was not given a chance to go through the statements of the witnesses. And one day also, I was not spared when I was having fever. The petitioner was behind the bar as in connection with the same case, and when he was granted bail, next day only this inquiry was initiated, and in 7 days inquiry completed, my lord. And in spite of my request that they should provide me some time to go through the statements so that I can cross-examine, this opportunity was also not provided. So, my lord, these things lordship will certainly examine, my lord. And my lord, may I request, my lord, the entire records may be produced before the court so that your lordship can examine the matter in totality, my lord.
Where is the order passed in the earlier writ petition?
My lord.
This is the second round, isn't it?
Second round, my lord. Annexure 1.
Earlier, what did you challenge?
Same, my lord. Similarly, an ICC
Annexure
was
1.
constituted. Yes, my lord. ICC was constituted and they proposed my termination. And there no page, it starts at page 30, my lord. Page 35, paragraph 14 of the judgment would be relevant, my lord.
You were working as what?
Yeah, I was working as professor in electrical department.
IIT.
I had NIT.
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 Had Miss
P. Chakravarti.
P. Chakravarti, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was working as a lecturer,
Assistant professor, grade
assistant
1.
professor, grade 1,
Yes.
in NIT Silchar, in the electrical department. Stop on account of certain complaint made against him. The proceeding was initiated under the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace open bracket, prevention, comma, prohibition and redressal, close bracket, Act, comma, 2013. Open bracket, Act of 2013. Stop. Pursuant to the proceedings so held, a report was submitted by the Internal Complaints Committee on 29/5/2019 and 27/9/2019. And the petitioner was given a show cause notice on 21/10/2019. What was the show cause? What did it say?
My lord.
That you should be removed or something?
No, my lord. It was page 84, my lord. Explanation.
No, show me the show cause. Okay, right. Agreed with the same. The petitioner approached this court by filing WPC number 7942 of 2019. Stop. The said writ petition was disposed of white order dated 25/3/2023 by interfering with the report of the Internal Complaints Committee as well as the show cause notice. With liberty to the university. Assam University, is it?
NIT Silchar.
With
National
liberty to NIT Silchar to initiate fresh proceeding in accordance with the procedure laid down. Stop. After the writ petition was disposed of in the above manner, the proceeding was drawn against the petitioner, which culminated into his removal from service. White office order dated 16/12/2025, bracket annexure 25. Agreed with the same, the petition is again before this court through the instant writ petition. Now, the learned counsel also submits that the order of removal from service was imposed upon the petitioner, which would not be a disqualification for future employment under the government. But despite the same, the university has declined, has not given experience certificate to the petitioner. And for which reason the petition is also not able to seek employment elsewhere. Next, per review of above, issue notice motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr.
1 and 2.
Mr. SP Chaudhary, learned standing counsel. NIT Silchar.
Yes.
Accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 2. Director, Higher Secondary. Oh, this is ministry.
This is ministry.
Oh, CGC will be there.
So CGC can.
Who is the CGC? You have not served copy.
SS Roy name may be different.
Who?
SS Roy.
SS Roy. Okay, petitioner to serve notice to respondent number 3 through the standing counsel, through the CGC, Mr. SS Roy. The petitioner shall thereafter submit the acknowledgement received from Mr. SS Roy before the registry to show proof of service. Extra copies of the writ petition be served to the learned counsels within 3 days. List again on so and so.
My lord, let them produce the records while they file their file.
Forward everything in the affidavit.
Let us see.
records would be necessary, my lord.
If so required, we'll call it, not at this stage, okay?
And my lord, about that experience certificate, let them provide it in the meantime, my lord.
The learned standing counsel shall obtain instructions as regards the grievance of the petitioner, that experience certificate is not given to the petitioner by the next day.
Right.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this is the second round of litigation, your lordship. Petitioner
Yes, petitioner.
was appointed as a craft teacher in 19.
Okay, do one thing, you show me the first round. Any order annexed?
My lord,
Page number?
page number, my lord,
20,
19, and
19.
5.
How many petitioner?
Only one.
There were 3 petitioners earlier.
3 petitioner. This petition, my lord, only one.
By one, Nazmi.
Yes,
By petition number 1.
one.
Okay.
He was appointed as a craft teacher in 1994, my lord. At that time, venture school, my lord. Thereafter, his service was provincialized in 2008, your lordship. But the provincialization order, your lordship, did not recognize any past count services rendered by him, your lordship. For that, they have approached this honorable court, and relevant portion is that, my lord,
Past service rendered as what?
for pensionary benefits, your lordship.
Okay.
Because he was appointed in 1994, provincial
Craft teacher
craft teacher
in a venture school.
venture school.
Later on, you were provincialized.
Provincialized in
But for pension, that prior to provincialization period was not counted.
not counted.
Then what did the court say?
Said to count the services for the pensionary benefit. But thereafter also, my lord, may kindly see page number. Sorry, page number 6, my lord. In response to the direction of this honorable court, my lord, the director of secondary education, your lordship, issued this order 28/7.
Page number 6.
Sorry, my lord, 29. I'm sorry, 29.
You are challenging this order.
My lord, I have given fresh representation, your lordship, page
Okay.
number 32.
32.
Just, my lord, there is a typographical error in the page number 32, my lord, annexure 7.
Some error is there.
My lord, just in the representation, your lordship, it ought to have been 17/10/2008. But he has written 4/6/2008.
Where is that?
My lord, page number 32, the representation, your lordship.
32. No, you were showing me page 29. Why did you take me to page 29?
Page 29, my lord. After the direction of this honorable court, your lordship.
Yes.
Director of secondary education, your lordship. The response to this issued this order to implement the direction of this honorable court, and directed the inspector of school to submit the details of past services of the petitioner.
Okay, but there's one case number mentioned here. What is this? 1571 of 1998. Third paragraph. Annexure 6, third paragraph.
My lord.
What is this case? This is not your case.
No, that is not my case, my lord.
What is this matter then?
My lord, page 6. May I read, my lord? Seen the order detail.
Again, page 6. Say annexure 6.
Annexure 6, my lord.
Page 6 is not annexure. Page 6 is some your statements.
Page 29, annexure 6.
Yes.
WPC 4206/2010. This is my.
That is your case, I know.
My lord.
But why this reflection of WPC 1571 of 1998? What is that case? And why is it important?
My lord, because in this particular writ petition, there was a view that the petitioner submit would be carry the benefit of past service for the pensionary benefits only. There was a pensionary benefit.
Correct.
That is my case,
So direction also was for pensionary benefit only.
my lord. That was not given to me. This is my case on.
So what does the order say? It says the inspector of schools will make the verification.
My lord.
Okay, now next after this,
After this, my lord, I have given the representation, my lord, because after that, no order was issued,
that was in 2016, July.
my lord.
Then you gave representation in 2024, November.
Thereafter also some representation, the latest one I have annexed to your lordship.
Now, why that long gap?
Because, my lord, I was told by the, I have been told that because there is a direction by this honorable court, it will be implemented, your lordship.
So basically, that's your case.
My lord.
Where are you now? What are you receiving now?
Yes, my lord. He is still in service, my lord. 2027, March, he will be retired.
Mr. U. Sharma, anything you want to say?
Since he is in service, my lord, so my lord, notice may be issued in this matter.
Okay, Miss S.S. Zia.
My lord.
Mrs. S.S. Zia, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that by filing this writ petition, the petitioner seeks a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to count the past service rendered by her prior to her provincialization in service for the purpose of computing pensionary benefits. Stop. The learned counsel submits that the petitioner who is currently serving as
Craft teacher, my lord.
craft teacher. Where?
Kasuri High School, my lord, Nagaon.
In Kasuri High School, Nagaon.
My lord.
No, but you write Salmara High School in your as the respondent number 4. Where are you serving now? Kasuri or Salmara?
Salmara, my lord. Salmara High School, my lord.
Okay, correct that. Salmara High School. Along with 2 others, had approached this court by filing WPC number 4206 of 2010 with the same prayer. Stop. This court, right, order dated 12/5/2015, dispose of the writ petition by directing the respondent authorities concerned to allow the petitioners therein to count their past services for the purpose of computation of pensionary benefits. Stop. The learned counsel submits that soon thereafter, the Director of Secondary Education issued an order dated 28/7/2016, directing the Inspector of Schools, Nagaon, to submit proposal for appointment of the petitioners what did I say? Inspector of Schools, Nagaon. To submit proposal, giving the date of appointment and date of joining of the petitioners. so that the government can be moved for according approval. The Learned Council submits that except for the order dated 28/7/2016, no further steps have been taken by the respondent authorities, despite the petitioner having submitted our representation on several occasions. Full stop. The petitioner, therefore, being aggrieved, is before this court through the instant writ petition. Issue notice of motion, returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. U. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel. This is what, secondary higher?
Secondary education.
Secondary education.
Order respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
One is higher education. Number 2 is secondary education. Why are you mixing up all these things?
Department of Higher Education.
Yes, madam.
I have to correct it myself.
Which one is correct? Secondary or higher secondary?
Secondary. Department of School Education.
Secondary.
Accept notice on behalf of respondent number 2 and 3. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 by speed post within 3 days. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to file appropriate application seeking the correction of the nomenclature of respondent number 1. List again also and so.
Obliged. Item 10.
They were appointed at para 3, my lord. Para 4, page 13, my lord. They were appointed in various schools from 98, my lord. From 96 to 2001. Then thereafter they were appointed as tutors, my lord, on 31/2021. Now they are paying for say regular salaries in view of the division bench order. The lordship has passed similar order at page 459. They got salaries for about 3 months to 2 years. And thereafter, when their services, their salaries were stopped. And they were appointed as tutors on 31/21.
Initially, they were appointed as what?
As my lord, assistant teacher, stipend teacher, as they have stated in para 4, page 13, my lord. In different LP school, ME schools in the district of Lakhimpur. I have annexed the copies of the original appointment orders from page 32 to page 124. Lordship has passed similar order directing consideration of regularization, page 459. Relevant is at page 459.
The order starts from which page?
The order starts from page 454. I have annexed 3 similar orders.
My lord, you have to see 472, same thing. 472, 473.
Yes.
Last page, last 2
Yes.
pages.
No, the beginning part.
472 and 473. Relevant.
No, the beginning of the order.
Yes, sir. The beginning of the order. 472 is the beginning.
What is annexure 7 then? 407?
Well, that is order passed by Honorable Justice J. Fukan. And annexure 8 is order passed by your lordship. Same
472.
annexure 8 and 9. And your lordship can the order begins from page 454. Relevant is page 459.
Get out.
Lordship,
the effective will be 472 and 473. Lordship has directed basically to
All right, let me go through the order.
presentation.
Let me go through the order.
District Bongaigaon and appointment year initially not instead of 93, 94, it should be 96, 2001.
individual representations.
Lordship corrected only one representation. One certified copy of the order. Only appointment order will be from 96 to 2001. Others are all same. Only the district will be Lakhimpur. Instead of Dhamajli.
See, a lot of cases have been disposed of,
Yes.
starting from Moharali Sheikh.
Yes,
Now, has the respondent authorities come to any particular decision
they are looking into it.
regarding the pay of tutors?
Lordship,
Not-
what has happened is, these cases which your Lordship has disposed of, all this is, because there are many batches of cases which have been disposed of, and
They are taking into consideration.
they are looking in.
They are looking into.
It
That's
takes
what
some
I'm-
time, my lord, because this exercise is going to be big, my lord, because in the previous cases also, there's so many people, that's why your Lordship had directed individual representative. Here, my lord, 48.
It
No.
will take some time. but-
This will not be the end. You see, we'll direct, no problem. No problem, we'll direct.
My lord.
But in the meantime, if the government takes a decision that tutors are to get this much amount,
So
problem solved.
that is what
Nobody has to come to the
that is
court.
that is in the pipeline. That is in the pipeline. And my lord will see the paragraph 5, my lord, individual representations before the thing, because each
Individual representation, one copy of writ petition.
Yes.
my lord.
That's it.
One copy of the certified copy of the order.
Paragraph 5, my lord, of
Heard Mr. B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. S. Bora for the petitioners. So I've also heard Mr. A. Fukan, Learned Standing Counsel,
elementary education.
Elementary Education, appearing for the state departments. So having regard to the nature of grievance projected by the petitioners, the writ petition is taken up for disposal at the motion stage itself. Stop. It is the case of the petitioners that they have been appointed. They were appointed as assistant teacher, stipendary teachers, stipendary teacher assistant.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that the language? Is that the
Only stipendary teacher. Assistant stipendary teacher,
Okay.
they say.
okay? Were appointed as assistant teacher, stipendary teacher in different LP schools, ME schools in regular scale of pay on the recommendation of the constituted selection board in the year 1996 to 2001.
And they were subsequently, and they got salaries for 3 to 2 years. 3 months, that I have stated in paragraph 5. ma'am.
Stop. The petitioners thereafter enjoyed the salary given to them for about 3 to 2 years, for 2 to 3 years. But thereafter, the same was stopped.
They were
Stop. Subsequently, the petitioners were adjusted as tutors on a fixed remuneration of rupees 10,800
per month.
per month
in January to 21,
from
January 21, 31/21.
31/21.
with effect from 30/1/2021. So therefore, by filing the instant writ petition, they have sought for a direction to the respondent authorities concerned to grant them pay equivalent to those teachers getting scale of pay, since they are performing similar nature of work
in terms of division bench judgment, my lord.
Stop. The learned senior counsel submits that the matter had been considered by a division bench of this court in Mohar Ali Sheikh and others versus State of Assam and others, reported in 2024 5 GLT 689, wherein the court had directed the respondent authorities to determine the regular scale of pay to tutors commensurate to other government employees within a time frame of 6 months. Stop. Following the said decision, the learned senior counsel submits that a number of cases have also been disposed of by this court with similar direction, and therefore the instant writ petition may be disposed of in similar lines, since the petitioners are duly covered by the said decisions, and that they stand on the same footing. Next para, considering the above projection, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the petitioners to submit their individual representations along with a certified copy of this order before the respondent number 1.
Yes, sir. Respondent number 1.
To stop. It is further provided that who will submit number 1?
Number 1, my lord.
Submit that only the petition number 1 would be required to submit a certified copy of this order along with one complete set of the writ petition before the respondent number 1, and the same shall be taken into account and considered by the respondent authorities to take a decision for giving benefit of pay as commensurate to other government employees. For the purpose of such consideration, the authorities concerned shall also take into account the decision of the division bench of this court rendered in Mohar Ali Sheikh and others Supra. Stop. The entire exercise be completed within a period of 3 months from the date of receipt.
4 months.
Why 4 months?
Because the other thing is not.
I see 3 months here, that's why.
3 months. 3 months.
His main submission, my lord.
3 months from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order. With petition according.
You should apprise, my lord, what they have done pursuant to the division bench order. They should apprise that, my lord, because there are also some months there.
Correct.
Your lordship is correct, my lord.
Mr. Fukan, you should get instructions. Okay, it's not maybe your brief, but the thing is that what has happened? Morally Sheikh, what are you all doing? You find out so that you can make your submissions accordingly to the court, no? Because you have not filed an appeal, I hope. SLP or something like that.
But
You don't know.
I am not aware of.
Morally says basically, my lord, since you are paying only that 10,800, that is not as per rule. They are serving similarly, so therefore you should consider paying similar salaries. You cannot
But
expect.
it is being taken up, man. That's what my instructions are that, man. It's been taken up and it's in the pipeline.
All right.
Right.
Then I'll rise for a moment. This is what item 10.
Item 11.
May I please, Lord?
Yes.
My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner was my lord, assistant teacher of my lord, Kolshavanga MBA school, my lord, who was appointed on 14/5/2022, my lord. that is placed my lord 18. Thereafter, the petitioner joined in his service on 20 May 2022, my lord. Subsequently, pursuant to an FIR, my lord, the petitioner got placed under suspension, my lord, that is impugned order at page, my lord, 27, my lord, impugned order, my lord. Page 27, my lord, annexure 6. My lord, in the impugned order, my lord, no the column of suspension, subsistence allowance, my lord, there is a provision to grant subsistence allowance at the time of, during the time of suspension period, my lord. But there is no subsistence allowance granted in this order, my lord.
Any application?
Yeah, my lord, I have submitted application, my lord, that is annexure 7, my lord, to the District Elementary Education Board through my lord, BO, my lord, Block Elementary Education Officer, but nothing has been done till that, my lord. Now, my lord, I am facing mass hardships, my lord. And another aspect, my lord, the impugned suspension, my lord, was done, my lord, by order dated 13/8/2025, my lord. Already, my lord, more than, my lord, 6 months, my lord, gone, my lord.
What,
But
13/8? 13/8, okay.
13/8, my lord, yes.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, 6 months already been passed over, my lord. Now, no review has been done, my lord. So, my lord, ultimately suspension order is, my lord, in view of the Ojoy, my lord, Chaudhary, my lord, Ojoy Kumar Chaudhary.
What is the post you are appointed
My
to?
lord, I am assistant teacher, my lord, of MV school, my lord.
MV?
Yes, my lord, MV school. That is, my lord, annexure 1, my lord. I have annexed, my lord, page 18. My appointment letter.
Okay, please write. Part, Mr.
A. Hussain, my lord.
A. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was appointed as an assistant teacher of Kalas Bhanga MV School under the Lakhipur Education Block in the district of Golpara.
I have also, my lord, filed a statutory appeal, my lord, which is also, my lord, remain unattended, my lord.
White order dated 14/5/2022. And he joined his service on 20/5/2022. Stop. On account of certain complaints made against him, the petitioner was arrested by the Golpara police station, and for which reason he was placed under suspension. White order dated 13/8/2025, bracket annexure 6, with immediate effect. Did I give you the date? 13/8/25, huh? With immediate effect. Now, the learned counsel submits that ever since the petitioner was suspended, his suspension has not been reviewed, and that no subsistence allowance has been given to the petitioner till date. So the petitioner submitted his representation.
Page 28, my lord, that is annexure 7. This is a representative submitted to the.
For the district elementary education officer.
And another statutory appeal, my lord, that is 31, page 31, my lord. This is submitted before the director of elementary education, my lord.
And also to the director of elementary education. On Yeah, there's no date?
My lord, 5th January 2026, my lord, the appeal,
No.
page
the
31.
Page 29. Where is the date?
Page 29, my lord, yes, my lord, left side, my lord, left side, bottom corner, my lord, 2011-2025. Page 29.
On 2011-2025 and 5/1/2026 respectively. Stop. However, there is no response from the authorities concerned till date, and therefore the petition is before this court. Issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Miss N. Fukan, standing counsel,
Respondent 1 to 4.
elementary education accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1 to 4.
1 to 4. Extra copies of the writ petition will be furnished to her within 2 days. On the next returnable date, learned standing counsel shall obtain instructions as to whether the suspension of the petition has been reviewed and whether any substantial allowance has been paid to him or not. Just again, give a shorter date.
30 March.
Okay, notice of motion, I said, no, returnable by 30 March.
My lord, till then, my lord, subsistence allowance may be, direction may be given to provide subsistence allowance, my lord.
If not provide.
If not provide, yes.
It is also observed wherein that the respondent authorities, no, they're right like this. It is also provided herein that in view of the suspension of the petitioner, provide order dated 13/8/2025. The respondents shall provide subsistence allowance to the petitioner as may be entitled to him under the rules, if not already provided.
Obliged, my lord.
27 of the supplementary list.
It is, your lordship. Sir, an affidavit in opposition has been filed today, your lordship, by the respondent number 5. That is Director of Education, BTC.
So,
Lordship, I need some time to go through the affidavit, your lordship.
when?
I would, let it be on 19th, your lordship.
This month?
Yes, your lordship.
We'll see the dates first. Any convenient date?
28 March.
Okay, who has filed? Director of Education?
Director of Education, BTC, your
BTC,
lordship.
respondent number 5.
Respondent number 5.
Parties are represented by the respective counsels. It is submitted that the respondent number 5 has filed affidavit in opposition today. But it is seen that the same is not yet on the record. The learned counsel for the petitioners submits that he may be allowed, he may be given some time to go through the affidavit, to go through the said affidavit in opposition and to file a reply affidavit is so required. In view of above, list again the matter again on 25th of March. The office to verify and connect the affidavit in opposition to the record.
There is an interim order, your lordship.
Interim
that may
order
be-
past shall continue till the next date of listing.
Oblige, your lordship.
20.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
The matter relates to my lord appointment of my lord assistant professional in the Borkhetri College, my lord. The factual metrics of this matter is that my lord petitioner, my lord, she cleared her, my lord, master in geology department from Gauhati University, my lord, height annexa 21, my lord. And secured, my lord, 8.5433 PA, my lord. And subsequently thereafter, my lord, she has also cleared her, my lord, slate examination, my lord, case 22, my lord. Then, my lord, then subsequently thereafter, in pursuant to an advertisement issued by the principal of the college, my lord, Borkhetri College, by annexure B, page 23, my lord. That, my lord, for different posts, and my at serial number 3, my lord, zoology. It was initially, it was unreserved, my lord, EWS, and roster point was 38, my lord. And subsequently, my lord, one horizontal was issued to the next page, my lord, page 24, my lord. And my lord, it was, my lord, subsequently, my lord, it was, that post is unreserved instead of unreserved EWS, my lord. Page 24, my lord.
EWS means?
Economically weaker section.
Okay, this has been deleted.
Withdrawn, my lord. So, my lord, it is
Only
open.
unreserved.
So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, I submitted my application, and my lord, page 25, your lordship, the call letter was issued, my lord, on 11/9/2024, my lord, page 25.
Yes.
Then, my lord, interview was held on 21/9/2024, and my lord, and then, my lord, on 8/1/2025, lordship, page 26, my lord. Then, my lord, proposal was forwarded to the Director of Higher Education, my lord. With reference, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, I beg to state that I am submitting herewith the proposal for approval of appointment in respect of Sabna Sargam Rahman, the petitioner, my lord, against the sanctioned post of assistant professor in the Department of Zoology of Borkhetri College, Narayanpur, Mukalmua, Nalbari. As per the checklist published by DSC for appointment of assistant professor in provincialized college, I have furnished all the documents for favor of kind perusal and necessary action. And my lord, next page is that, my lord, governing body's resolution, my lord, page 27, my lord.
In your favor?
Yes, my lord. So, my lord, they have accordingly resolved that, my lord. May I read, my lord?
Yes.
The governing body of Borkhetri College, in the governing body meeting held on 20th December 2024, unanimously resolved to approve the selection committee recommendation of selecting so for assistant professor post unreserved, roster point 38 in the Department of Zoology of Borkhetri College on the basis of academic records and interview performance. The said GB also directed principal to send the proposal of appointment to the Director of Higher Education, Assam, Kahidipara, on so and so. Then, my lord, thereafter, my lord, then, my lord, that impugn order has been issued by the Deputy Director of Higher Education, my lord, page 28, my lord. Herein, my lord, the subject regarding approval of appointment of assistant professor in the Department of Zoology, unreserved category, roster point 38. So, with reference to your letter on the subject quoted above, I am directed to state that this directorate has received proposal for appointment of assistant professors from various departments of your college. After verification of the documents of the said proposal, it is found that you have issued advertisement of the said post without having approval of the roster register of teaching staff of your college from GOV as well as from this director. It is observed that you did not follow the rules and guidelines of existing roster rules, which seems to be in violation of rules and procedure for advertisement, public selection, and appointment of assistant professors. Hence, the proposal submitted from your end for approval of appointment a different post of assistant professor are hereby regretted. My lord.
What is the date?
It is, my lord, 4/8/2025, my lord.
4/8?
Yes, my lord. 4th of August. So, my lord, what happened, my lord, that advertisement was issued, my lord, as per permission from the government, my lord. And secondly, my lord, after completion of the whole process, my lord, then, my lord, while that approval of the, my lord, roster register, they have rejected my claim. And lordship, kindly, the next month, page 29, that 100-point roster, my lord. Herein, my lord, if lordship come page serial number 38, my lord, roster point 38, it is reserved for unreserved, for, my lord, open category, unreserved, my lord. And my lord, what happened, my lord, and my lord, page 35, my lord, so kindly come to the page 35. My lord, on 23/9/2022, my lord, that is for the same post, my lord, once when on the Obhiti, they was appointed, my lord. But my lord, subsequently, he refused to join the state post. So that's why, my lord, second, this process.
Yes, Mr. Upamanya.
Lordship, at this stage, let notice be issued, Lordship, I'll issue, I'll.
Okay, please write. Third, Mr. A.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is aggrieved with the communication dated 4/8/2025, by which the approval sought for filling up the post of
Zoology. Assistant Professor.
assistant professor in zoology department in Barkhetri College, Narayanpur, Mukalmua, in the district of Nalbari, has been regretted by the Directorate of Higher Education, Government of Assam. Did I give you the date? 4/8/25, no? After that, you write an extra E. From the learned counsel submits that the petitioner, being eligible and qualified for the post, applied for the said post through the advertisement which was floated in the local daily, the Assam Tribune, on 6/2/2024. And the post initially was indicated as unreserved, within bracket, economical weaker section, close bracket, but by the corrigendum dated 22/2/2024, published in the same local daily, the post was corrected as unreserved only. Stop. After the selection process was over, the petitioner came to be selected for the post, and the governing body of the college had also given its approval. In favor of the petitioner. So, however, despite the same, the Director of Higher Education, Government of Assam, has communicated their regret. Directorate, has committed their regret, stating that rules and guidelines of existing roster rules were not followed. So, Mr. A.K. Sharma, learned counsel, referring to the model 100-point rooster, bracket annexure F, submits that against rooster point 38, the category for which the post is earmarked is clearly for the unreserved category, and therefore non-acceptance of the recommendation made in favor of the petitioner should be interfered with by this court. Stop. He also submits that on earlier occasion, one Dr. Abhinit Day was appointed, recommended and appointed to the post in question White order dated 23/9/2022. But the said person declined to join the said post. And hence, a fresh selection was undertaken through the advertisement. He thus submits that the impugned communication dated 4/8/2025 should be set aside and the petitioner should be appointed to the post in question. In view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. Dew Pomania, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education, accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3.
4 and 5 lordship states.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent numbers 4 and 5 by speed post within 3 working days. Extra copies of the writ petition will be furnished to Mr. Dew Pomania within 2 days.
As an interim, my lord.
No lordship.
Otherwise, if this my lord process is going started, then everything will go, my lord. My lord, lordship may fix a short date, my lord. And my lord,
We'll give a short date, returnable by so and so. Till the next returnable, right like this, have regard to the projection made.
Lordship, the roster.
Status quo.
No.
Why?
Because the roster was not followed, lordship.
We don't know.
Yes, lordship. It is
See-
mentioned in page 28, lordship. And the page 35 was for an earlier advertisement, lordship, wherein the roster was followed, but this was not followed in this advertisement.
That we'll see, okay.
Yes.
Having regard to the projection made by the petitioner, it is hereby provided that till the next returnable date, status quo as of today shall be maintained for the post of assistant professor in the Department of Zoology for the state college.
Obliged.
List again also, in 3rd March.
Item 12, order no steps.
Hmm? Yes,
Your Lordship, I'm requesting for time to take the step for respondent number 5.
how much time?
My Lord, 4 to 5 days.
Why so much time required?
My Lord, the senior counsel is out of station for a month and we were unaware from the fact that the notice has not been issued. We were in the impression that the notice has been served.
We'll give you 3 days time.
Obliged, my lord.
That's great. For the 3 days time is 3 working days time is granted to the petitioner to take fresh steps on respondent number 5 by speed post in terms of the order dated 6/2/2026. List again on so and so.
Item 22 for orders.
As per order dated, my lord, 6/2/2026, I have submitted my amended cross title. Implement the husband numbers 4 and 5.
Who are they? Notice has not gone?
Notice and document. These are implement just last day later. Your Lordship,
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Please write. Hard Mr. A. Khainikar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who submits that respondent numbers 4 and 5 are the newly included respondents as permitted by this court, and notice has not yet been issued to them. Next para, in view of above, let notice be issued to respondent numbers 4 and 5, returnable by 3 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice by speed post within 3 working days. List again on so and so.
24,
Can I please have Lordship?
Yes.
We have taken step on
Okay.
2026. The ID card was not yet received.
Await service report from respondent number 1. List again on so and so.
1st March. 25,
In 26, I think, together.
This is your lordship. Using your lordship last order date, your lordship, steps completed from respondent number 4. While your lordship, we needed to take our instruction, respondent number 1 to 3. So kindly grant us 3 weeks time, your lordship, to obtain the instruction.
What happened last time? What happened last time? Nobody
Lordship,
appeared.
last notice has issued.
No,
We accept the notice on behalf of respondent 1 to 3.
it says, in view of the non-appearance of the learned standing counsel for the secondary education department and the KASC council, matter could not be proceeded today. Released on 6/3.
I'm not aware, your lordship, their last,
You were absent on the other day.
yes.
Respondent number 4 has been served.
Yes, Lordship.
Steps completed.
Steps completed,
Okay.
and since the respondent number 4 had decided not to appear before this honorable court.
That I'm not aware, your lordship. I'm just representing respondent 1 to 3.
As paid for by Knowledge Standing Council for the secondary education department. SP Das. Further 3 weeks time is granted for filing counter affidavit. List again, concerns.
I'm deeply obliged.
26,
I should be.
May it please your Lordship.
Twenty-six,
Your Lordship,
okay.
as directed by this honorable court, we have taken justice service on respondent number 3 and 4, your Lordship. We have filed our proof of service affidavit.
My lord, I am appearing for the respondent number 3 and 4, my lord. My lord, I am
Okay.
appearing for the respondent. I pray for 4 weeks time for filing my affidavit.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that affidavit showing notice of by way of Dasti upon respondent numbers
3 and 4, your Lordship.
3 and 4. Is filed. To stop. We therefore submit that notice is complete upon the said respondents. So at this stage, Mr.
A.K. Gupta, my lord.
A.K. Gupta, learned counsel, appears and submits that he has instructions to appear on behalf of respondent numbers 3 and 4. And he'll be filing his power when?
Yes, today, my lord.
Within the course of the day. To stop, he further submits that he may be granted 4 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise the Lord. In view of above, notice is complete on respondent numbers 3 and 4. And the respondents are given 4 weeks time to file the counter affidavit. List again on so and so.
Obliged.
for admission, item 13,
May it please your lordship. While this matter was heard at length, my lord, judgment was reserved. And almost years is over, my lord. We have to take instructions and some time may be granted, and the counsel for the respondent number 7, senior advocate Mr. K.N. who is appearing. He also informed me that he has some difficulties today. I am appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, some time may be granted. My lord, at least 3-4 weeks time may be granted.
Is it a joint prayer or
Yes, lordship.
joint prayer? Okay, you want adjournment for 3 weeks,
4 weeks, man.
4 weeks. What is the ground for adjournment otherwise?
my lord, that matter was heard at late and judgment was reserved. Reserved.
That is okay. Now it has been, it has to be reheard now.
Yes, therefore, my lord, we have to take instructions, my lord, because we'll have to make it prepare a fresh and almost.
But material instructions.
New thoughts. What to do, I do not know whether the petitioner is in service or not. Was about to be retired, my lord.
Okay, please write on the joint prayer made by the learned counsel for the parties, the matter stands adjourned for a month to enable them to obtain up-to-date instructions from their respective clients. List again also.
21st,
Hmm.
40,
Here's a direction. The direction to file an affidavit lordship to bring a particular notification. But the petitioner tried, he could not collect. It is under the custody of the authority. And department also supposed to file affidavit also not filed. Matter pertains to lordship in violation of the guideline. The petitioner school is merged with the lesser number of students school lordship.
Lordship will fix it after 3 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, the department will file their affidavit. And my lord, the petitioner can also, through the mode of RTI, can get the document, my lord.
That notification is issued by from the office of the director of elementary.
They can also bring it, since the direction is there, my lord. There's RTI also. Nowadays, there's a tool.
It is within their custody lordship. By filing affidavit, it will.
What is the order 8922? There's no such, there's no order.
No, there is an order.
Order dated 16/2/24.
Yes, there is an order.
16th of February 2024. As per
That is before me, but this 16/2/24 refers to the court's order dated 8/9/2022.
Yes, ma'am. So there is a notification which the court had asked him to bring. Who was the notification?
No. Notification that
There is no 8/9/2022 order, is it?
No.
16/2 lordship.
No, the order of 16/2 says 8/9.
Notification. Notification.
There's something wrong with this order. Let me read the order for you. You have a copy of the order?
Yes.
16/2?
Yes.
Just read.
Mr. A. Decker, learned counsel for the petitioner, has granted 10 days time to file affidavit in opposition as directed by this court wide order dated 8/9/2022, incorporating the order dated 18 February 2021.
Okay, so he's a petitioner.
He's a petitioner.
Why should he file affidavit in opposition?
No, wrongly given as affidavit in opposition, but it was, I think, meant to be additional affidavit.
Then where's the order dated 8/9/2022?
So there's some mistake in the glitch in the date, error in the date. So my lord, notification was asked to be filed by him in the form of an additional affidavit.
Which notification?
That's what he.
Dated what?
Nine.
As straight for Mr. A. Pukot, learned standing counsel. Elementary Education Department is granted further 3 weeks time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. Mr. Deka, anything you have to file from your side?
Initially, while the interim order was issued, then there is a mention that there is a particular notification whereby district committee was constituted. At that stage, Lordship, the Honorable Court directed me, you bring that particular notification through an affidavit.
Okay, what is that notification?
That notification regarding the constitution of the district level committee, but I tried my best but could not collect that notification.
You apply, like Mr.
But I will
Fukan
try
said.
in the meantime, Lordship, let me file affidavit, Lordship. I will wait. If I
Mr.
get,
Jain.
definitely I will file it.
Keep me updated.
Concerns.
In 15 also, they are supposed to file affidavit.
15.
15 is different, Lordship.
Okay.
No, like 15 is regarding, Lordship, although there is a adequate number of students, Lordship, the service of the petitioner should be provincialized as a head teacher, but instead of head teacher, his service is provincialized as a tutor. That is my grievance, Lordship.
There was an interim order in the other case.
Yeah, that may be continued in the item number.
Interim order earlier, passed earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
No problem.
Now, in this case, you'll take some more time.
Yes, sir.
Respect for Mr. Fukan, London Standing Council, Elementary Education Department is granted further 3 weeks' time to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit.
Obliged.
List again on sons.
17.
I am appearing for the PTC authorities, Lordship. I'm praying for some time to.
How much time?
Affidavit, Lordship. 3 weeks' time.
3 weeks' time. Your respondent number?
3 and 4.
And what about the others? Elementary education. You are there in this case, Miss N. Fukan? As paid for by Miss
And so.
N. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Council, BTC, appearing for respondent numbers 3 and 4, and Miss N. Fukan, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education, appearing for respondent numbers 1 and 2. Further 3 weeks' time is granted to receive instructions and to file their counter affidavit. List again on search.
Okay.
19 and 20.
May I please do, Lordship? Lordship, both the cases become infractions. We have been paid the arrears salary by now.
Your good name, Mr.
D. Borua.
D. Borwa. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been paid. The petitioners have been paid their salary. And therefore, both the writ petitions have become infructuous. Mr. D. Upamanya, Learned Standing Council, Higher Education, agrees to the submission. In view of above, both the writ petitions are disposed of as infructuous.
19 and 20. 19 and 20.
19 and 20.
Highly offensive.
21.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this writ petition was filed, Lordship, due to non-payment of compassionate family pension, Lordship, to the petitioner, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, on the last occasion, notice was issued.
Issued. So this is the second time, isn't it?
Yes.
Who's appearing for the respondents? Elementary education. Your case, elementary.
Instruction not, is visit time may be given.
You are for which respondent?
Comment.
Government means
Respondent number 6.
six. So what about the others?
I am appearing for respondent number 1, 2, and 4 and 5.
1, 2, 4, 5, correct.
And my lord, SSA is represented by a different concept constable. And the accountant general and the accountant general also is different. We completed our instruction, complete our instruction. We are still awaiting our instructions. Reflected as for.
SSA, they are a respondent.
3. SSC is respondent number 3. As for respondent number 3.
Have you served notice?
Lordship.
3. How did you serve?
We have taken the steps, Lordship, on 10th of February, Lordship.
Well, their name has not been reflected in the cost list. SSC. Only showing as elementary and GSM.
No, this is S elementary and GSM.
Even the accountant general, the name is not showing. Accountant general and director of accounting.
Where is the proof of your service to the SSA?
Elementary and
Where's the proof?
Lordship,
See, if you recollect the last order, it's 3, 7, and 8 through their standing counsel, and thereafter submit the acknowledgement before the registry as proof of service. You have to serve, take acknowledgement and submit again.
I have served the copy, Lordship.
Acknowledgement? SSA.
SSC is not given.
Lordship, we will submit, Lordship.
Then what is that? If it's not given, then why is it?
Elementary, the government.
No, that is there here also.
Same thing, same.
Don't show me that.
We'll take steps, Lordship.
As prayed for, the respondents are granted for the 3 weeks' time to obtain instructions and to file their counter affidavit. The petitioner appears to have not served notice to the SSA, that is respondent numbers 3, 7, and 8, through their standing counsel in terms of the last court's order dated 6/2/2026. The petitioner shall therefore comply with the order dated 6/2/2026. List the matter again. On 8th April.
Online.